Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Friday, March 21st. First of all, it's quadruple witching day, which means that we've got a ton of different option contracts that are expiring today. So that always adds volatility to the market. So that's one thing to look forward to. What else is going on in the news? This is from forexfactory.com. Canada's core retail sales were 0.2%, but their retail sales month over month were down 0.6 percent versus a negative minus 0.4%. So maybe this is the beginning of the tariff situation where sales start to go down due to lack of demand for the higher priced products. We'll have to wait and see. The Canadian housing index was up only slightly. 9:05, we have FOMC member Williams speaking, and that is it for today of interest. So moving on, looking for charts, looking at the daily chart, we are gapping down. We are definitely establishing a consolidation band here. We are gapping down here this morning. Overnight action is greater than 50 points. I say greater than 50 because it is continuing to move before I can even calculate what it was 5 minutes ago. So it's 50 plus. Where could we go? I think we could retest these lows in that 55.92 area. If we could get above yesterday's high and the high of the day before, maybe we might get into the 5800 area. Below the moving averages, very bearish. The fact we're consolidating here seems to me to be saying we are going sideways to then continue going down, which is what the trend, short-term trend is. Again, volume doesn't really mean much because of the March contract and the June contract. To be splitting the volume up, we'll wait until Monday to really start to be able to evaluate volume. Inventory was positive yesterday, even though we had down price action. Again, we have a divergence here. I think this anytime we have a down day and we have positive inventory, it's just buy the dip, folks. Eventually, those people will get burned, and when that burn happens, that'll probably be the bottom. So we'll have to wait and see how that pans out. Overnight action, you can see here, it's moving down quickly, faster than I can calculate. Or it was. Now it's sort of stopped going down. We got 66 all the way up to 23. So that's over 60 points now, overnight action, which means that volatility is continuing to be crazy and here to stay. So where do we have resistance? So resistance on the top side, definitely in this 57.25 area, 57.40, 57.60, 57.82, of course, 5800, big number. On the downside, we've already breached 5700. It will be a spot we'll be watching, but it is certainly not as important as, from a support perspective. 5660, 5650, 5620, and 5600. Below that, there's a spot 5592. So there you have support and resistance. Stock Trader's Almanac is 38.1. So 38.1% is very, very low. That basically means there's a 62% chance the market will be down according to historics from the Stock Trader's Almanac. There you have it. Hope you have a great weekend. Happy trading. We'll see you Monday. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.